In this video, we study the model 4, that is curve fitting. So curve fitting, so there are three curves in the syllabus: is there straight line, parabola, and exponential. So three curves can be solved by using the least square method. So first curve is straight line. We take fitting of a straight line. So straight line is given by y is equal to a plus bx. To solve the fitting of a straight line by using least square method, for that we write the normal equation. So normal equation we write for the straight line. So we know the straight line is y is equal to a plus bx. So apply summation for this. We get summation of y equal to a into n plus b into summation of x. Here we written n because a is constant. We know that don't know the data, so we have write the n. N means the number of data in the given table. So y is given data, x is given data, but a is constant. So initially we don't know, so we written n. So multiply x for this, we get the second normal equation. That is summation of xy equal to a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square. So these two are normal equation. By using this we solve the example. So x is given, y is given for the example. We prepare the table to obtain summation of x, summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x square, and substitute here. We get a and b. For that it is a best fit. So this is a procedure. First we prepare the table for the depending on the normal equation, then put here and simplify, you get a and b. So this is a procedure. So let us solve the example. Fit a straight line y equal to x plus b for the following data. So x is, y is given x 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, y 16, 19, 23, 26, 30. So this is for this data we fit a straight line best fitting. So find a and b. So this is a procedure. Solution. Let us consider straight line y is equal to ax plus b. First we write the normal equation. So normal equation, right, already I have told. So first apply the summation for this. Summation of y equal to a into summation of x plus b into n. Here b is constant is there, so multiply n. So next, to write the normal equation, multiply x here. Summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Here n denotes the number of terms in the given data. So n means here they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, n is equal to 5. So depending on this we prepare the table. We require summation of y, summation of xy, summation of x, summation of x square. For this we prepare the table. So the table contains x column, y column, xy and x square. So x is given, y is given. X is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Y is 16, 19, 23, 26, 30. Xy means multiply these two columns, we get xy 80, 190, 345, 520, 750. X square means square the x column, we get this. Then we require summation. So add this. Summation of x is 75, summation of y is 114, summation of xy is 1885, summation of x square is 1375. So put all the values in the normal equation. We get the normal equation become 75a. So that is x is, summation of x is 75. So 75a plus 5 into b. So n means number of terms, that is 5. 5 into b equal to summation of y is 114. So summation of a into summation of x square. Summation of x square is 1375 into a on this, plus b into summation of x. Summation of x is 75. 75 into b equal to summation of x y is 1885. Then solve these two simultaneous equations by using the calci. On solving we get a equal to 0.7, b equal to 12.3. Therefore put a and b in given straight line, we get y is equal to 0.7 into x plus 12.3. For this straight line, that will be best fit. Thank you.